At top news, heavy rainfall in Kenya kills dozens, causes widespread devastation. In Kenya, no fewer than 71 people have died and 110 hospitalized following the floods. The flooding was worsened by a dam bursting, although locals alleged it was due to water flowing through a tunnel under a railway bridge. Kenya has been dealing with heavy rainfall and floods for weeks. Rescue teams are still searching for survivors. Death toll likely to rise. The disaster has affected various parts of Kenya, leading to widespread damage and internally displacement. Human-caused global warming likely contributing to the intense rainfall. According to report, over 131,000 people have been affected. School activities for the term has been suspended till further notice. Other countries in East Africa, like Tanzania and Burundi, are also experiencing heavy rains and floods.